Hey, what's up guys? SickBricks here with another video for you all. And this time there's something a little different because I couldn't think of anything else to do. So, this is my studio tour. Here you can see my main filming area. It's just a couple of white poster boards on top of my dresser. Up here is the backlight I use, the overhead light. Here's my softbox, and there is another lamp I use. Over here is my unsorted Legos bin, Lego bin. Fun fact, it's not Legos, it's Lego. And here are my sorted Lego pieces. Here is my Lego City off to the right. It's kind of a mess right now, but over time that will change. Got some money to spend finally for pieces for buildings or sidewalks or whatever it may be. Down there, the river is improving. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Other than over here is where I keep some Lego boxes and tripod. But yeah, I just move my lighting around, make it look good, or as good as possible, and start filming. That's pretty much my studio, or room, which I film in. Not really a studio in a way. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep bricking.